I'm going to speak about WordPress categories and tags. And as you continue to build your website/blog, you're going to realize that as you continue to, I use it as a blog, posting blog posts now, myincomejob.com. As I continue to add blog posts, I'm realizing that new URLs are being created because category pages, category URLs are being produced every time I create a blog post. Tag URLs are being produced every time I post a blog post. I'm going to do the best I can. And it's good to know. If you're here to win it, I just have a couple of little notes. Stop listening to people who claim no skills needed. Bullshit. Have full control over your business. No work involved. Follow me. We'll show you the blueprint. Create your own blueprint. Create your own proven system that you can work on whenever you feel like it, and spending very little money to run your business. I spend like $15 a month to run my websites right now. As they continue to grow and expand, and more URLs get created, I pay for what I use. I build on it, and the more URLs need to be stored on servers, then the price goes up. But I'll do that breakdown in another time. So here we go. Let me show you what I mean. I'll start here. Sorry about the background noise. I have my windows open. I was just browsing around, checking out duplicate. Google chose different canonical than user. Okay. I was just browsing around and I said, well, let me check out these URLs. And I see tag. So this one, tag chatbot or chat GPT right here. This URL. So I opened it. I said, okay, well, I'm starting to write about artificial intelligence.ai. I should have more than one there. I've posted a couple of posts. Well, then I opened up this one. It says tag AI, which is this URL right here. So I opened it. And I'm like, the tag AI has 2 blog posts on it, but the chat GPT don't. Well, I need to fix that. Michelle, fix it. So I opened it up. The page that's not on here, which is AI, artificial intelligence writing tool, but it's on this URL tag. Do you get it? So what I need to do, these are my categories here. Okay, I see chat GPT, but not in the tag. Chat GPT. I'll hit enter. I'll update it. Let me see if it adds it. Maybe, I'm not sure if that will happen immediately. I want this title post to show under this tag. Let's see if I refresh it, if it worked. See? I didn't even test that before I did this video. Yes, I really understand how this works now. Do you see? Taking a chance. It took me 3 years to learn how to use WordPress in my spare time until I considered myself confident. Now I'm learning how it works on a higher level. I'm becoming more experienced more knowledgeable and understand why it's branching out the way it is. And that was a perfect example to show you what I mean, that I really understand it. Because now what I want to do, I want to submit those URLs into the search.google tool. If you watch my other videos, I'll include a link in the description below, and the Bing URL submission, Webmaster Tools. They're both free. I want to speed up the process of the search engine robots crawling my WordPress websites. That was great. And I see how it works. Now I'm going to show you something about a category. Going to go back here. For a while there, I was really writing about John Deaton, BitBoy Crypto. I was writing about crypto crazy. So I'm going to click on View, and I'm going to open it up in another tab. Another tab. I'm sorry. Another tab. This is a blog post. I promote a video. I speak about it. This was a letter I wrote to Congress in my own words. But what I want to show you here, I'm going to click on a tag, cryptocurrency. I'm going to click on that because that is a topic that should have a list of blog posts. So I'm going to hold Command and click it so it opens up in another tab. What do you know? See? Any blog post title, blog post that I added cryptocurrency to this is a category. Now this is a category. See up here, category. This one's a category. So I'm getting it. I don't want this video to be too long. You see what I mean? I just keep pushing forward, and it increases the odds of me earning more money online. It's branching. All of a sudden, my websites, my blog, I used to call it a website. I went from website builders, and then I decided to get over the hurdle of learning WordPress, which took me about 3 years in my spare time. And now we fast forward 4 years, and I'm really using it regularly, and I'm mastering it. I'm understanding it more. I'm more confident using the platform, the open source platform. Oh, there was one more thing. Oh, here's one more thing to show you. One more thing. Let me go back to the search engine tool. I'm going to go back to pages. Today I have 120 indexed, where yesterday or the day before I had 111. That's incredible. That means whatever I'm doing is working. I'm going to tap on video pages. See this nice chart, how it went down for a while, then it's starting to go back up because I fixed mistakes. And now I'm using artificial intelligence. I'm banging out work, not just blog posts, and I'm using AI to do it. And, I'm producing 3 things when I sit down to work on the computer instead of 1 in the same time. Sometimes 4, like I'm getting really good at it. Don't give up. I hope you found the video interesting, informative. I use the word interesting too often. Informative, useful. I feel that's a better fit. I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for future videos. And please, if you appreciate the knowledge that I share, give a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And we can win this together. There's plenty of room for everyone. There's plenty of room for everyone to gain residual income online. We all hold relevancy, but we're not all going to write about the same topics. We're not all going to create websites / blogs about the same niches. But this is the stuff you need to learn if you want to get your work confirmation that your URLs and your domains are getting indexed to the search engines. See you later. Bye, everybody.